Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Regions Online, secure method step by step. To log into Regions Online Banking, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.regions.com and press enter. Once the Regions homepage loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see two fields, one for your user ID and another for your password. Enter your user ID in the first field. Then, type your password in the second field. After verifying your credentials, locate the login button below the password field. Click on the login button to access your account. If you've entered the correct information, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In case you forget your user ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link. Follow the prompts provided to recover your credentials securely. Remember to log out of your account after completing your online banking session. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. This ensures that your account remains secure from unauthorized access. Always make sure you are using a secure and private network when logging in. Now you know how to log into Regions Online Banking securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.